Hey everyone, welcome back. It's brand new Subway Surfers season clearly live, but the update isn't showing up in your App Store at all. Here's the fix. First, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then pull down on the screen to force a refresh of all available updates. Since App Store's update list can catch and miss a very recent release version. Look for Subway Surfers and tap update if one appears. If it still does not show, go to your settings and tap your name at the top of the screen. Tap media and purchases inside here and then confirm you're signed in to the correct Apple ID that originally downloaded the app since updates won't show under a mismatched account. Also, go to settings, then go to general, then go to software update and confirm that your iOS version meets the minimum requirement for the new season. Since very old iOS versions sometimes don't receive the latest update until compatibility is confirmed. So all you gotta do is pull to refresh the App Store, confirm your Apple ID and check your iOS version. The new Subway Surfer season shows up and that's it. Subscribe.